Sage 300 General Ledger offers you flexible and powerful yet easy-to-use general ledger accounting for your growing business. With a powerful segmented chart of accounts, you can create up to 10 levels of accounts for cost centers, revenue centers, locations, projects, or any other dimension. Sage 300 Chart of Accounts definition allows you to create different account structures based on business needs. Powerful and easy-to-use search allows you to search for accounts based on account number, description, account status, and much more without the need to remember complex account codes. Each account definition allows you to set up different values for account characteristics like description, account group, balance type, and status of the account. Sage 300 General Ledger accounting features are the best to manage your accounting transactions. GL Ledger lists account number, batch number, amount, and transaction details of accounts. From multiple sources, it can easily transfer and print reports. Evolve with us and achieve new heights in the business world.